absolutely love coming to work.
To have fun while working and stuff as well, which is good. So it doesn't really feel like a job. I wouldn't go anywhere else. I love it here. This is my happy place.
Only job you can walk into every day and get 55 hugs and I love yous.
It's a very family-orientated company. Lots of opportunity to grow, lots of opportunity to be yourself and to actually shine.
It's a great place to be. You know, you will feel supported. It's important that you come and enjoy where you work every day and you want to have fun.
And you're paid for webinars as well as our first aid and CPR certificates as well, so everything's covered by the company.
I love Sesame Lane because you're appreciated for what you do. You never have to put your hand in your pocket, and the money that they make, they put back in to give into their children.
Working for Sesame Lane, I feel valued, I feel supported by the team around us.
To become an educator for Sesame Lane, it's such an opportunity with the professional development that we receive.
We need people with imagination, creativity. We need people to inspire others.
We need kind educators, we need educators with passion, and we need educators that will put children first.
Educators that enjoy what they do so that they come in with a smile on their face and have fun with the children as well.
You should definitely apply for a job at Sesame Lane. So many amazing opportunities. It's a great place to work.
We feel like a family, like a work family.
It's the best in childcare, Sesame Lane is.
It's such an awesome company to work for.